Let's do a vacuum glitter test because I'm convinced if a vacuum can easily suck up glitter, then it's gotta be good. I got this vacuum off the TikTok shop. You can go ahead and click that orange cart in the bottom left-hand corner if you want to check it out yourself. I'm amazed with the power of this vacuum. Let me tell you, I'm a crafter. I hate when I spill my glitter, but when I do, now I know I have something that'll easily suck it up because I love glitter, but I don't like to mess. Anyways, get yours quick before they run out at the TikTok shop.